Dear students, we will learn about C language. C language C language introduction to C. C is general purpose language. It is a high level language and it is a procedure oriented language and it is a mother language. It is a basic combined programming language, etc. It is developed by Dennis Rich in 1972. What is a language? So, languages are used to communicate with others. In computer, languages are used to write the programs and communicate with the devices. We are used three languages. First one is mission language, second one is low level language, and third one is high level language. Next, what is a program? Set of instructions are called program. History of C. It is introduced by Dennis Rich in 1972. Rich is a software engineer working in AT&T Bell Labs. Rich adopted C language from B language designed by Ken Thompson, software engineer, AT&T Bell Labs. Thompson adopted B language from BPCL. It means Basic Combined Program Language. Designed by Richards, an assistant professor. In 1989, C is recognized by ANSI. It means American National Standard Institute. ANSI C. In 1999, C is recognized by iOS. It means International Organization for Standardization. Now it is also ISO, International Standard Organization, with the name C99. C language is designed to write programs for Unix. Later, by making several changes, it's working on any machine, regardless of configuration. Hence, C is also called Machine Independent Program Language. But C is exe files of platform dependent. Hence, C is used to design standalone applications only. Basic structure of C language. Hash include stdio.h means standard input output dot header file. Hash include conio.h. It means console input output dot header file. Void main function. It don't have any return value. Flower bracket open. Printf. Within double quotes, we need to write hi, close double quotes, parenthesis close. Printf function used to print the content. Get.ch means get character function. Then we will get output hi. Void main is a keyword. Void is a keyword. Hash means preprocessor. We can write the same code on Turbo C++. After writing the code, we need to save the program with .c extension. Example kishore.c. We need to compile the program. Why compilation is required? If there is any errors in the compile, it will produce the errors. We need to run the program to get output